Alright, the next little project is the shooting star. The first thing we'll do is the stars. If you don't know how to make these, just Google 5-point star and you'll find out. I've made a small template so I can place this wherever I want, so I can get as many as I can out of this small area. The stars are all cut, and now it's time to make the base of the shooting star. And to make the base I need something with a slight curve for a template. Let me show you. Now it's all marked up and I'll cut that on the bandsaw. Alright, the bottom part is done. All we have to do now is just place the star on top, something like this, and then make a line for me to cut after on the bandsaw. And we'll cut that off on the bandsaw. Alright, they're all done. Looks pretty cool. I think I'll round off the edges on the stars. I might do on the base as well. And then I'll give them some oil. You can also paint them. Stars for yellow, of course, and so on. Right, now they're all done. I've given them all some oil, some with clear and some with some mahogany color in it. And some with mahogany color in it. The stars has also, all of them given clear, and I think they fit pretty nicely. There you go, they're all done. Simple and easy project. Now that's a simple and easy project, and it looks cool. Merry Christmas, you guys.